are you doing? My name is Lucinda, and if you're new here, you are most definitely welcome. Just consider subscribing and join this beautiful, amazing family that I have. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So I'm starting this video very early in the morning because I have been wanting to do this video, and what I'm going to cook right now for breakfast is what my kids are taking before they go to school. So I'm probably going to be doing this very fast. So it is also the reason why I'm still in my sleeping gown, and I'll be changing this before I cook. And if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and also share and comment. And before I talk too much, let's get into the video. Thank you guys. So for breakfast, I'm making smoothie and I'm adding grapes to it and berries. I'm also going to be adding bananas and mangoes. All these are sweet fruits, so you don't need to add any sugar to your smoothie. It's a perfect smoothie for kids especially, and it's also good for your health. So starting breakfast this way is very healthy, and I recommend it for you. So I'm going to be blending this using milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I prefer pure fresh milk because it's what my kids love. So this is how my smoothie looks like. It's so thick and also yummy, so sweet. You got to try this. And if you're storing this in a freezer, don't let it stay for more than 3 days, because I usually store mine for only 3 days. The third day we have to drink it all. And of course, the smoothie is going to be taken with some egg roll, and I'm preparing some ingredients for that. I have green pepper, tomatoes and onions. I'm also going to be adding some parsley to make it more natural and yummy. So if you're tired of plain bread every morning, this is a good breakfast for you. I recommend it, guys, and you're not going to be disappointed. Moreover, you're going to be eating natural and healthy things. And I'm using 4 eggs, and I'm going to blend everything together and add some salt to it to make it tasty. So this is where the magic happens. So I'm cooking now the eggs, the mixture, and I'm placing thin slices of bread on top of the mixture, and then I'm going to keep rolling until I make my egg roll. So watch, guys. I'm even salivating right now, you guys. Oh my god, I can't even talk. And I can't wait to eat this. It's my all-time favorite breakfast, and I can make this anytime, any day. So if you haven't ever tried egg roll, guys, this is the moment. You have to try this. So my egg roll is now ready, and I'm going to just gently remove it from the pan to avoid breakage and cut it into smaller pieces so that everyone can get some. So you can see how yummy this looks. It has layers because of how I was rolling. And guys, you have to try this, I insist. And we have our breakfast. Now we can take our breakfast and the smoothie. Yeah. And guys, what time is it? It's time for lunch, and I have all this energy. I'm making pilau today, and I'm using pure pishori from Mwea, and I'm measuring 3 cups, already sorting it out. Then I'm going to wash it and let it soak in the water for about 10 minutes so that when I start cooking it, it's going to cook quickly. I have the meat here. I'm using beef and I'm going to boil it first, and I'll be adding some water. Give it around 10 minutes to cook as the rice also soaks in the water. So I have used that 10 minutes to prepare the ingredients for the pilau, and I have garlic and ginger here already blended, and I have my parsleys, I have onions, and also the pilau masala, and I'll be using soy sauce and tomato paste.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh, yeah.
So the meat is already cooked and soft right now, and the reason why you have to boil the meat first is because if you don't boil it, then pilau takes only a few minutes to cook, and if your meat is hard, then it's going to be a problem while eating it. So this is the pan that I'm going to be using, and I always use this while cooking pilau. And don't make sure you put enough oil, because if you don't put enough oil, it's going to affect your end result, because pilau takes a little bit more oil. So in the hot oil, I'll be adding the meat and let it cook until it's golden brown, and then add the onions and give it time to cook. This is pilau masala, which I'm adding to the onion and the meat, and I'm also going to give it time to let it be absorbed in the meat and the onion.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love from the broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh.
Then I'll add tomato paste, and then add ginger and garlic together, and then blend everything together. So the last ingredient to put is the parsleys and soy sauce, but these are optional, you guys. You can decide not to put them, but for me, I prefer using them to add more taste to my pilau. At this point, I put the rice in the mixture, and then I mix everything together. Then add water. If you have beef broth, you can use it. In this case, I only had 1 cup of beef broth, so I added 4 more cups water because my rice was 3 cups, so I needed around 5 cups for this rice. Also, don't forget some salt to taste, because if you do that, then your pilau is not going to be tasty. So add some salt to taste. Lastly, you're going to reduce the heat and then cover your pilau and let it cook for around 10 minutes, and then it will be ready. Can you smell that? It smells so good, and wow, it looks so good, so yummy. You have to try this, guys. I have done this recipe for years now and I have never gotten disappointed, and I promise you won't too. This is so good, it looks nice. And we have our lunch, and wow.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And dinner is here, guys, and because we were not too hungry, we decided to eat some fruits, something light for dinner, and it always goes well because after eating a heavy lunch and a good one, then you don't need a lot of food at night. I recommend some fruits or even some smoothies, and it's also very healthy for your body, especially if you're looking forward to maintaining your weight. You can eat something light in the evening, so we went with some fruits. And that's it from me to you guys. Hope you had fun, and guys, don't forget to like this video and share and comment, and thank you so much for watching to the very end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.